Welcome to SOLIDWORKS Aakruti for the new educator. When I was teaching at Mass Bay College and throughout my career with SOLIDWORKS, I mentored and was the advisor for multiple design competitions, student design competitions, and SOLIDWORKS continues supporting students and educators today with great competitions like Formula SAE, Baja, Formula Student, competitions in robotics, rockets, solar, and a whole list of other wonderful competitions that we help educators and their students. But SOLIDWORKS wanted to do more than that for our educators and for our students, and to connect them with our commercial customers. So we created Aakruti, a global product design and innovation competition for students. I am truly excited to introduce to you the concepts behind SOLIDWORKS Aakruti, and I hope that you, as an educator and mentor, will have your students join us for the world stage of design. Aakruti means the form, figure, or shape of anything. This innovative competition has 3 objectives. First of all, it is a design challenge, but it's more than that. It's a platform to spark creativity and build confidence in students. It is meant to inspire innovation as students look around the world they live in and notice problems, big or small, regional or global. We want students to find solutions for accessibility, sustainability, health, what really matters to them. Aakruti is all about hands-on learning. With SOLIDWORKS and Dassault Systems skills, we provide the latest in our technology. And last of all, it's all about giving your students the stage. The best teams from around the world are able to present at our global event, 3D Experience World, and in front of an audience of our customers that are looking forward to seeing your students' innovation. Aakruti all began in India, and last year we had over 10,000 participants, hundreds of colleges, multiple countries, and over 1,800 teams, with the objective to enable students to imagine, design, simulate, and innovate sustainable solutions from a concept to their prototype. And we have expanded. This year, we hope to double the number of countries that participated in 2025. Truly a global event for your students, and it's broken down into regional and geographical competitions. And what's it all about? It's where the Aakruti winners are now. Not only are they part of Dassault Systems, but they are part of our customers across all different industries, whether it's aerospace, automotive, industry, data, product design, biomedical design, a host of industries where students are truly champions. Let's take a look at the highlights of last year and this year's competition. And what you saw in the video were really big checks, and the checks have gotten bigger because this year we have doubled the amount of prize money that students can earn. And more importantly, we have given lifelong opportunity with our certification credentials. Students that use our tools will be able to participate in over 10 certification exams. And what does the competition schedule look like? Well, the most important thing is we've extended the deadline to September 15th. We received so many applications, but more importantly, we received messages, whether it was Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, from students stating, we really want to register, but we're in finals, we're finishing up classes, we're starting a new internship. So we have extended the deadline till after school starts up again in most of the world. So students, educators, now is your chance to think about what you want to design. The ultimate goal is to reach the finale at 3D Experience World, which will be held in Nashville on February 17th, 2027. So, if you are interested in a global innovation competition that your students can create using the latest technology and their engineering skills, we want to hear from you. There are 4 themes this year: robotics, local community problems, healthcare innovation, and mobility. I look forward to seeing the results. Again, solidworks.com/Aakruti. And if you need to reach out, you can find me on LinkedIn, Marie Blanchard. Educators, I appreciate what you do every day in the classroom. And we are here to help you not only with software, curriculum, certification, but also design competition for your students. Thank you.